Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me for mindfulness journaling. Today is February 8th. I started mindfulness journaling in January, and it's my goal to journal mindfully throughout 2023. And the reason is that I believe that it should and will help me to stay in the present moment and will help to ease my mind. The prompt today is, being mindful of nature and all its beauty, what are you grateful for? Feel free to join me anytime. You can join privately or you can join publicly and do a video. If you do choose to do a video, be sure to tag me so that I don't miss your video. So on this tag, I put a little synopsis of the prompt, and it says nature, gratitude, feelings, 2/8/23. And I write, being in nature is very relaxing for me. It is also restorative for me. I have a lot of windows and glass doors in my house, and my home is flooded with sunshine. When I look out of my windows or glass doors, I can see trees, plants, and birds. I really enjoy and appreciate that. One of the reasons I love camping is because I love nature. It calms my mind and body. I like to go to the beach too. Something about the ocean waves, they just remove all of the stress in my body. I'm grateful for the time I spend in nature. It is one of life's great pleasures, and it doesn't cost anything. As I'm sitting here writing this, a butterfly has just gone by. What a treat. And yeah, you guys might be wondering why and how did a butterfly just go by? Well, here today, it's about 80 degrees here in Florida. And so it feels a little bit like spring right now. I do expect one or two more small cold fronts, but nothing major. So friends, I hope you enjoyed my entry this week. I enjoyed coming out in nature and making my entry. This was a lot of fun for me, just to sit out in my backyard and write in my beautiful journal that my beautiful friend Carol gave to me. And we'll be back at it again next week, my friends. Thanks for watching. See you soon.